This is a spring snowstorm on May 10, 2008 in Chadron, Nebraska at the Eagles Rest RV campground. There's the building. I'm looking out through my RV window. There's some other RVs. As you can clearly see, May 10th, spring snowstorm. Kind of an odd thing, it was raining and now it's snowing. Tomorrow it's supposed to be 70 degrees. That's how it is on the plains. One day it's snowing, the next day it's 70 degrees. The weather's real up and down here. There's the office over there. So you can see it's flat here. Not many trees right next to town.